able to make things like this for my real-time strategy game, right? So it's a spaceship with dust underneath. It's like a harvester. And this is the type of stuff I need to do for my real-time strategy. So I can't just go back and forth between my engine and Blender. I need everything to be there so I can control it and put the units on the map and basically make the game faster. As an independent game developer, speed is matters a lot. You want to be able to do things really fast. And in order to do that, I had to create my own Blender. So this is basically like Unity, like Unreal, but it's only like 500 kilobytes. Saving space is also huge as a game developer because you don't want your game to be like 100 gigabytes when all of this data can fit into like several megabytes, really, like low poly models, things like that. It's you don't need 10 gigabytes for this, guys. With the demo, so you can hear the sound design that I've been working on for a while. So here it is. Favor. I'm trying to build a small audience, like 10, 20 people. Just somebody who consistently follows my projects and lets me know if I'm going in the right direction. Um, so if you can follow me, I'm going to post the links where you can follow me on the internet to follow these projects. So go ahead and check them out. And I'm gonna leave you here with the rest of the demo and specifically the sound design. I've been kind of messing around with these past couple days. It's on social media right now. It's just my personal account. So I try not to mix that together. And I found this site that I really like. It's called Ghost Together because it allows me to put all of my creative projects there in one place. I think Twitter is not really a proper place for something like this, but there's ghosttogether.net. That's where you can find all of my projects. It's like it's like Twitter, but where you can bundle all of your creative projects like art, games, music, everything under the same profile. And that's what I love about it. It seems like really low key community. And to be honest, I want to stay away from that like noise on regular social media. So yeah, guys, I decided I figured, so what? Like, it's not a really well-known site, but if you make a game that's like really high quality, decent looking game, people are gonna find it. They're gonna play it. It doesn't matter if it's on Twitter, Instagram, or some basic site. So yeah, check it out. It's ghosttogether.net and my username. The link is also in the description. And that's where you guys can follow me. Like I'm looking for like 10 to 20 people at this point. And that's pretty much it. I post everything there right now about this game and my other projects. And also, if you're a game developer, if you're an indie game dev, this is a perfect place. I'm telling you guys, like it's simple. It's like where you can develop your project in privacy before it gets picked up, by other outlets on the internet. So in this aspect, I really enjoy it because I like my peaceful time when I just design and have a small audience of people. And if you join there with your own games and projects, you instantly get my own audience. You know what I mean? Like all of you guys who are joining, you're going to be, if you're a game dev, you're going to get all of this audience that I'm trying to get to see my game. So it's like a community, right? So it's like all of us are designing and creating together and influencing each other and getting ideas from each other, like outside from this public social noise of regular social media. So go ahead and follow me there. I would rather prefer like a smaller audience in an unknown site as I continue developing something to get that feedback going, things like that. And if you're a game dev too, you can submit your games as well. So I'm trying to low key promote this platform because I'm on it. But you don't have to join or anything. But this is where I chose to, to post my updates before anything big happens with any of the games that I'm developing. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna leave you here with the sound design of this demo in running in my own Blender on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video.
Landing sequence initiated. Synchronized reducing altitude. Approaching landing. Be careful. Harvest system standing by. All extraction arms secured. Cargo integrity confirmed. Harvest complete. Going home now. Engines rising. This world will remember our shadow.